The questioning is already underway. Ria's brother, a younger brother, Shawik Chakrabarti, is also an accused now in the case. He's also with her today. This will be the third time that CBI has decided to question the brother. India Today has scooped this line of questioning by the CBI for Ria on the second day as well. Now, as per sources telling India Today, listen to this, 3 specific aspects: Sushant's mental health, financial aspects, and consumption of narcotic substances that are illegal. All of these questions expected on your screens there. CBI has prepared a list of over 35 questions, including about doctors, medicines, about also the expenses between her and Ria. But importantly, there is definitely going to be the drug angle and the chats that mention it that will be put to her. So I'm going to go back to Munish Pandey for that. So, Munish, it's interesting that CBI is very specifically going one by one. Till now, it's about finances, it's about deleted chats. But today, second day, will it be likely more specific? Will it also be about possibly taking a cue from other eyewitnesses' accounts and then grilling her?
Well, Pooja, remember yesterday questioning ended when the CBI was asking her about Sushant's mental condition, and this is in continuation to what CBI wanted to question. Now, why Ria Chakrabarti is important? Only because she is accused number one. There are serious allegations against Ria Chakrabarti by the family members. Now, this is a suicide case, alleged suicide case, and family in the complaint has said abetment of suicide by Ria Chakrabarti. CBI at this point of time is relying on the circumstantial evidence in the case, because if you have to find anything in abetment of suicide case, these are only going to be circumstantial evidence, no direct evidence. And you raised a very important point about the 4 witnesses. Yes, the long drilling session of these 4 witnesses are important for CBI, because what they have given answers to the investigators, those are going to be the questions for Ria Chakrabarti and as an evidence, and that is why those parts have been included in this questionnaire. Now, CBI today will be focusing on 3 aspects, as you pointed out. One is going to be the financial aspect, second is the mental health, and third is going to be the drug chats which the enforcement directorate...
According to you, Munish, according to you, because there are so many angles that have come from day one about her relationship, about her trip, the drug angle, the family charges as well. What do you think CBI would want to question most about? Now, whether it would be mental health or it will be the drug angle, because what do you think is really going to make the investigation a little more close-knit for it to even have a conclusion?
Pooja, this is a very important question. I spoke to a senior official of CBI who has handled one of the abetment cases they had. Now, according to that officer, in any abetment of suicide case, there are 2 very important points. One is proximity with the accused, and the second is the mental health of the person.
Okay.
Now, yesterday's questioning was about the first point, the proximity, how their relationship developed and what went wrong in the relationship. But the second and most crucial part of this questioning session is going to be the mental health issue, because if a person who has committed suicide, if the person was suffering from any mental health issue, this is going to be in favor of the suspect in the case, accused in the case, and not in the favor of any other person. So here, Ria Chakrabarti and the investigators have to find out that whether Sushant Singh Rajput was actually suffering from any mental health issue or not, whether he was taking medicines or not, and whether he was consulting any psychiatrist or not. Ria Chakrabarti has been claiming there are statements by the top psychiatrists who Sushant Singh Rajput was consulting given to Mumbai police, and later now they are part of CBI's investigation. They have told that indeed the actor was suffering from some mental health issue, but now CBI will find out whether there is any link between mental health issue and the suicide and Ria Chakrabarti.
And if there was an abetment to suicide, yes, that I think is going to be very crucial, because those are charges by the family as well. Munish Pandey with all the latest from Mumbai. Munish, keep tracking.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.